This is our 8th interior design project for our subscribers, a 148.77 square meters, or 1,601.35 square feet two-story residential building, owned by Ainsley, who reached out to us for design help. She wants to incorporate a Scandinavian style with a touch of modern contemporary design into her interior of her planned house renovation. But she's unsure where to start, and how to organize, and style her space. This is part of our 100 free interior redesign projects for our subscribers. We do this to show you the actual process of designing a room, and to provide you with more practical advice on materials, furniture, and decor you can use for this interior design style. Stay tuned because later we'll share how we select the next free interior design projects. Let's get started. This is Ainsley's current house layout before her planned renovation. On the ground floor, there's a living room facing south, a dining and kitchen area facing north, and a toilet and bath tucked in the northwest corner. The stairs are positioned along the left wall, aligned with the west side. Then, on the second floor, she's planning to add a bedroom. But here's the thing. Ainsley felt the spaces weren't quite working for her. They felt cramped. So, she decided it was time for a change, a renovation to create the space she's always wanted. Therefore, she came to us with a new layout as our guide for the interior design. Plus, she shared some inspiration photos, leaning toward a Scandinavian style with modern contemporary touches. Now, that we understand what Ainsley needs, let's dive into her design solution. First, we'll map out her space using a bubble diagram. On her ground floor, she's moving the right wall of the living area, 1 meter to the left to open things up. Then, she's adding a wall partition to the right of the stairs. This partition will serve as a TV wall, and below the stairs, extra storage. It's functional and smart. In the dining and kitchen area, she's extending the wall right up to the property line. That means we'll add a firewall here. By doing this, she can merge the dining and kitchen spaces, giving her enough room for comfortable movement. And here's the bonus. Extending these spaces lets her include extras, like an auxiliary kitchen, and a guest room, or playroom, whatever suits her needs. Upstairs, she's adding a toilet and bath, 2 bedrooms, a master bedroom, and even a balcony. It's going to feel like a completely new home. But since the full project is quite large, we'll focus today on her living area, dining area, and kitchen. The rest, stay tuned for part 2. Now, let's bring her ideas to life in our 3D model. Let's start with the flooring. Ainsley wanted ivory porcelain tiles for her flooring, so we incorporated 0.60 by 0.60 meter tiles. This versatile choice works perfectly with both Scandinavian and contemporary design styles. The large tiles minimize grout lines, resulting in a smooth, uninterrupted surface that elevates the modern aesthetic. To complement the flooring, we chose white walls, adding to the bright and clean atmosphere of the space, making it feel open and inviting. Let's start with the wall panels with subtle vertical grooves. Made from light wood, they bring texture and a touch of Scandinavian charm. To enhance the space, sleek LED round wall sconces are integrated into the panels that is cost $509.43. And if you're interested in this product, it's tagged in the description below. These lamps provide cozy, ambient lighting that's perfect for relaxing evenings. We've also added a geometric framed painting, simple yet eye-catching, centered between the panels. Her sofa, an accent chair, is a showstopper. A curved modular cloud sofa that's soft, plush, and inviting. Upholstered in a neutral textured fabric, it perfectly blends Scandinavian coziness with modern flair. It is priced at $1,649.99. Below the sofa, we placed a round area rug in a soft gray tone. It anchors the seating area and adds warmth to the space. By the sofa, there's a modern floor lamp, ideal for extra lighting when reading or unwinding. We added a wooden side table next to the sofa. Its simple design matches the room's neutral tone and is great for holding decor like vases. And now, we added a wooden coffee table to complete the look. Its clean lines and open storage design match the room's modern style, while providing a practical spot for books and decor. Now, let's move to her TV wall. We set the TV against a marble backdrop panel. This not only adds a touch of elegance, but also serves as a stylish focal point that draws attention. Around the TV, we've integrated LED backlighting. This choice reduces glare and provides a soft ambient glow in the evenings, making the space cozy and relaxing, and added a floating shelf in soft wood above the television. It keeps the design light and uncluttered, giving her a functional yet stylish addition to the wall. Below the TV, there's a sleek console that combines white and soft wood finishes. It provides plenty of storage so she can keep the area organized, but it still maintains a balanced and harmonious look. To the right of the TV, A vertical softwood panel with subtle grooves was placed here to serve as the door for the storage she had built under the stairs, making it less noticeable. It's a simple detail, but it ties the Scandinavian-inspired design together seamlessly. Now, let's talk about her ceiling. We used a cove ceiling design. This adds depth and a modern touch to the room. The recessed center creates a clean, minimalist look so it doesn't feel heavy, and it allows the integration of LED strip lights along the edges. Then, right at the center of the cove ceiling, we've added a modern squared 75-watt black integrated LED pendant that cost $509.43. This fixture acts as a bold statement piece, but still complements the contemporary design perfectly. And now let's look at the color palette. It's a mix of soft whites, beiges, gray, black, and light wood tones. This combination creates an open, airy feel, reflecting natural light beautifully. Therefore, it's versatile enough to accommodate pops of color or seasonal decor. Whenever she wants to refresh the space between the living and dining area, she wanted to have an open ledge for decor and small items, paired with a built-in bench with cushions, facing the dining area. The bench also features storage cabinets underneath, making it both functional and stylish, blending seamlessly with the home's design. Let's move on to the dining area, starting with her dining table. This 6-seater dining table is worth $2,829. It's sleek and minimalist, with a light wood finish that adds warmth to the space. Next, let's talk about her dining chairs. They're upholstered in a soft beige fabric, so they offer a comfortable seating experience. It also has a slim gold-toned legs that really elevates it. We also added a soft neutral-toned rug under the dining table to define the space and add a cozy touch. These add a modern, elegant vibe, balancing style, and function beautifully. Now, let's look at the wall panel along the dining area. Its subtle vertical grooves add texture and depth without overwhelming the design. Above it, there's a framed painting that draws the eye upward. Let's also talk about her ceiling and lighting. The recessed lights in her ceiling are minimal but effective. They cast an even glow across the room, so the space feels bright without being harsh. Along the edges, LED strip lights add a soft, ambient layer of lighting. This makes the dining area feel cozy and inviting, perfect for meals with family or friends. It features a waterfall quartz countertop, a seamless, elegant design that's not just beautiful, but also incredibly durable. Underneath, there are LED strip lights. We also incorporated a vertical wood panel design extending to the ceiling, accented with integrated LED lights for a modern and stylish touch. These aren't just for aesthetics, they add functional lighting and a soft glow that emphasizes the sleek quartz finish. Then, we paired the counter with white gloss cabinets for storage. These cabinets keep the look clean and organized, so everything stays neat and within reach. Above the counter, floating shelves in light wood provide the perfect spot for decor, plants, or even a few favorite mugs. These shelves add warmth to the space without cluttering it. We added sheer curtains for a soft and airy look, a vibrant green plant to bring a touch of nature, and a modern abstract painting to tie the space together. These elements enhance the cozy yet elegant vibe of the area. The bar stools are the finishing touch. They feature beige cushions for comfort and slim metal frames that keep the design light. Therefore, they tie the space together beautifully, matching the dining area while keeping the vibe consistent. The kitchen is designed for maximum functionality. The cabinets are finished in crisp white gloss, so the space feels bright and airy right away. Then, we added glass front upper cabinets with integrated LED lights. These not only highlight neatly arranged dishes and decor, but also bring a soft, elegant glow to the space. The countertops and backsplash are made of white quartz. This choice adds a luxurious touch, but it's also practical for everyday use. To complement the clean look, gold handles were added, providing just the right pop of elegance. In the center, a warm wooden shelf adds personality. It's perfect for jars, small plants, or even a few favorite items that bring a personal touch to the design. Beneath, large cabinets provide storage for pots and unused appliances, maximizing efficiency. Elegant gold handles accentuate the white cabinetry, adding a sophisticated touch. To the left, the refrigerator box. An overhead cabinet blends seamlessly into the design. Across from the kitchen, we've added a coffee nook. To keep the space open, we used floating shelves for decor and coffee essentials. The shelves, paired with subtle lighting, make the area feel cozy without feeling cramped. Below, the cabinetry provides storage for her coffee supplies and other items, while the countertop offers a practical spot for her coffee machine and daily essentials. The layout is simple and efficient. Therefore, it blends Scandinavian simplicity with modern luxury seamlessly. It's stylish, practical, and completely ready for Ainsley to enjoy. We receive a lot of requests, and we want to ensure the process of choosing our next project is fair. For subscribers who email us, we'll randomly select from those who provide complete details. This includes photos, videos, a floor plan, and their desired interior design style. To show our appreciation for our channel members, we're also setting aside specific slots. For our members, we'll provide a separate email address, which you can find in a community post exclusive to you, where you can send your request. Every month, we create 12 interior design projects. 4 are selected from subscribers who email us at designburst24@gmail.com. 4 are for our basic members, and 4 are for our pro and premium members. This ensures that everyone has an equal chance to be selected. If you have any comments or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thank you.